Hello everyone, in this Power BI session we will see about Power BI license. Also we will see what are the different types of license are available and why we need the license. Also we will see which license is best for whom. So let's begin with types of license. So there are three types of license: Power BI Free Desktop, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium. Now let's see the comparison between these three license. So here you can see the version of the license: Free, Pro, Premium per capacity, and you can see the features. Here are we have listed some of the features. If you want to learn about the details, like what are the features available based on the license, so you can go to the Microsoft official documentation and you can follow there. So now let's start with the Power BI pricing and licensing. Here you can see the version: Free, Pro, Premium and Premium per capacity. And here you can see some of the features like uses by Power BI desktop to create report. Yes, in it can be created in Free, Pro, Premium and Premium per capacity. Publish Power BI report, it can only be published when you have Pro or Premium license. Also, you can see the model memory size limit: 1 GB, 100 GB, and 400 GB. Refresh rate for Power BI dataset. You can see you can see 8 per day refresh you can do in Pro license if you have Pro license. In Premium license, we can do 48 per day refresh. Also in Premium per capacity, also 48 per day. And the maximum storage, Power BI native storage 100 GB per user, 100 TB for premium license, and 100 TB for premium per capacity also. Data security and encryptions are available for all. License and price is free for Power BI free license. Power BI Pro, $10 per user per month, and for $20 per user per month for premium license. And if you will talk about premium per capacity, $4,995 per month for P1 SQ. Next, we will talk about why do we need to take license if it is free, right? You got the questions in your mind. So here are the reasons why do we need to take Power BI license even if it is free. First is the sharing and collaboration. The free version of Power BI is designed for individual users. If you want to share your reports with others in your organization or externally, you will need a Power BI Pro or Premium license. And the next is the content sharing. Also, in Power BI Pro and Premium license, users only allows to publish the report in Power BI service where others can view and interact with them. Without a Pro license, your sharing options are limited. Also, we talk about the data refresh. Power BI Pro or Premium allows you to schedule the data refresh for your report, ensuring that your data is up to date. This is crucial for real time and frequency updated data sources. And next is the collaboration feature, which Pro or Premium users enables the collaboration features such as the ability to collaborate in shared workspace, create or share dashboard, participate in discussion about the data. Next is the advanced features. Power BI Pro or Premium provides access to advanced features and capabilities including AI powered analytics, paginated reports, and the ability to connect to a wider range of data sources. Governance and security. Power BI Pro or Premium includes enhanced governance and security features, allowing administrator to manage access and permissions more effectively. So this is the reason why we need to take license even if we have free opportunity. Next is which Power BI license is best for whom. So as we discussed, we have four types of license: Power BI Desktop, which is free This is the best for individual users and analysts who need to create reports and visualization on their local machine. So they don't need to collaborate with others. So no collaboration features or sharing capabilities on Power BI service. Next is the Power BI Pro license. This is the best for users who need to share reports and collaborate with others within or outside the organization. Also, we can say this license is best for professional users and the small teams. This enables users to sharing of dashboards and reports, also participation in discussion and access to the advanced features like scheduled data refresh. Power BI Premium, this is the best for organization with a large user base or those requiring dedicated cloud source resources and enhanced performance. This also provides additional capacity and features, including the ability to share reports with free users, advanced AI capabilities, and paginated reports. And our last one is Power BI Premium per user. This is the best for the organization with a variable number of users who need the benefits of Power BI Premium but don't require a dedicated capacity model. Allows organization to allocate the premium features to individual users on a subscription basis. So that's all for today. If you want to learn about more about Power BI license and pricing, you can go to the Microsoft documentation. There you can learn in details about the pricing and licensing of Power BI. That's all for today. We will see you on next video. Thank you so much.